I know one day these are going to go bad. I'm going to show you how you get to them and take them out and replace them. So let's get started. It all starts here after that one lone 7mm, which is there. Now that I walked all the way across to show you this, we're going to pull this panel out. Let's start number one. Put it in a safe place. Let's go back over there. Let's pretend we're getting the diffusers, and we're going to pull this panel off to reveal 3 7mm that we have to remove, because this is overlapped this, and to be on the safe side, we pulled them out already, and just pull this panel out. Just clips. Now we pull this one out. And why? Because it's overlapped over here as well. See, and that whole panel, now that it's flimsy, come over here and pull so it doesn't break. Nice, right? All right. Now, 1 7mm here, I also took out, and I have to go over there and see if something will hold me up over here. So let's do that. We'll pull over here. It starts to come out, but it seems like something's snagging over here, so let's go see if there's something over there other than clips. Of course, we have another panel hiding a fuse box, which is all clip, clip, and clip. So let's pull this out, get that lone 7mm out, and continue on this one. More 7mm. And it looks to me like these two might be attached. I'm not happy about that. Let's pull these guys out and see. I think it separates right here. Let's go see. It is out. Now, it is overlapped over here, as usual, but this will just give you some play. You can get it out, as I just did. So, tabs. That's all they are. Just tabs. Lock into here. You see where I scratched to get this little screwdriver in between the crack. So with this, between the crack, between the cracking, you see, you're pulling out. You could probably just use gravity. You see, it's push on it as you're pulling out, but you get the idea. Either way. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.